Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. Today I want to ask the questions from boys. This is going to be boys spoken English class. Let's ask some questions to them. What can they speak in English language? Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sunny.
Where are you from?
I am from Thachi.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Which class do you study?
I read in class.
What's your school name?
My school name is SVM Senior Secondary School.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is reading books and playing cricket.
When do you play cricket?
I am play cricket in the evening.
I play cricket in evening time.
I play cricket in evening time.
Do you play cricket with your friends?
Yes.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Chetan.
Where is Chetan from?
Chetan is from Mandi.
Are you learning here?
I am learning here English spoken classes and maths.
I would like to tell about the value of games. Games are the very important part of our life. It keeps us healthy. However, it is obvious that the excess of everything is bad. Like this, playing lots of games can harm of our studies.
Okay, why games are very important?
Games are important because it keeps us fit and healthy, and it keeps us our mind very fit.
What's your name?
My name is Swastik Sen.
Where are you from?
I am from Mandi.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby are to playing cricket and reading books.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor.
Are you the new student here?
Yes, sir.
What are you learning here?
I am learning here how to speak English and maths.
Maths. Okay. How many friends do you have?
Almost 10.
10 friends. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Yash Thakur.
Where is he from?
He is from Nechok.
Why do you like him?
Because he is kind and intelligent.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father works in a company.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a pharmacist in hospital.
Where does she work?
She works in Zonal Hospital, Mandi.
All right. What's your name?
My name is Divya.
Where are you from?
I am from Mandi.
How old are you?
I am 12-year old.
What's your school name?
My school name is Takshila International School.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a scientist.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing chess and reading book.
When do you play chess?
I play chess at evening.
Whom do you play chess with?
I play chess with my father. I play chess with my father.
Very good.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jitendra. My father name is Shri Bhumaram. My father is a police. My mother is a data operator. My brother name is Mir. My sister name is Priya. I am a 9-year-old. I reading a 5th class. My school name is GCPS Palmundi, Mandi HP School.
My name is Chetan. I am 10 years old. My father name is Mahendra Thakur. My mother name is Kavindra.
Tell me 3 forms of verb.
Abused, abused, abused. Aim, aimed, aimed. Water, watered, water. Put, put, put. Do, did, done.
So this was little bit having interaction with these boys.